What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on online latency for your MyCourt in NBA 2K26. Now you might be wondering, why would you even wanna do this? Well, when you're shooting in MyCourt, there's usually no delay since you're offline, but when you play online, you'll notice there's always a bit of input delay or latency. So by turning on online latency in MyCourt, you can actually practice under the same conditions you'll experience during real online games. That means your shot timing will feel a lot more consistent once you start playing against others. So here's how to do it. Load into your MyCourt, and once you're inside, move over to the online option on the right side of the court. Open it up and choose to go online. You can set it so your friends can join, but that part doesn't really matter. As soon as you do this, your MyCourt will start simulating online conditions, which adds a bit of latency to your shooting. You'll notice you have to hold your shot button a little longer than you would offline, just like when you are playing in real online matches. This is a great way to get your shot timing down and adjust to that online delay before you jump into competitive games. So yeah, it might feel a bit harder at first, but it's totally worth it for improving your consistency. Let me know if you will be using this feature to practice your shot in NBA 2K26. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.